So what's up guys, it's me your Jimmy Geek. So here are the 15 awesome feature of the Samsung Galaxy S6. Yeah, the Samsung Galaxy S6 rocking on the Nougat Android 7.1. The number 15, is most of a color, the amazing sexy blue topaz color. Look at this color. This is one of the best color ever I have seen on a smartphone. Let me be honest with you, one of the best color I have seen on a smartphone. The number 14 feature is the SpO2 rating in the Samsung Health. To be honest with you, let me go to Samsung Health. This one is one of the best feature, to be honest with you, I have ever seen. I really love it. So you see today, it's like 97%. My mood is happy, nothing special. This one is a really very useful feature. The number 13 feature is the 64-bit OS, and then the 64-bit Exynos 7420 processor, which is one of the best. Let me be honest with you, the phone is absolutely fast. I have never seen a such fast phone. The number 12 feature can't be none other than the S Note. The S Note. If you don't have a Galaxy Note, it doesn't really matter. You can use your regular Galaxy phone as a note taking. To be honest with you, I mean, I really like this one. This one is again. Let me erase everything which I try to. Do. Yeah. The number 11 is the S Voice. I really love the S Voice feature a lot. The S. The where's the S Voice? Let me show you. Yeah, the S Voice. Here we go. S voice is just something like out of this world. If you start using S voice, which is much better than the stupid crappy Bixby out there, I really love it. The number 10 is the OTG Support. Yes, you can easily use a micro USB cable or a 128 GB micro USB flash drive, because this phone do not have a micro SD card slot. The number 9 feature is the fast charging. Yes, the fast charging. I can easily charge this phone really very fast. I really like it. The number 8 is the Gorilla Glass 4 back and front. As you can see, I'm rocking no screen protector for more than 2 years. Still there's zero scratch. I hate screen protector. I hate mobile case. The number 7 is the awesome OIS camera. If you like vlogging with the rear camera, grab this phone. The amazing OIS camera. The number 6 is the barometer. I'm gonna tell you the level of the air. Again, if you like going to hiking, that's really awesome. The number 5 is the Samsung Pay. If you like eating the McDonald's every day, just use Samsung Pay. It's really very convenient. Sometimes you forget to take a wallet. Just use Samsung Pay. The number 4 is the Quad HD 5.1 AMOLED display with the PPI of 571. You look at this display. This display is absolutely beautiful. The number 3 is the build quality. I'm not a big fan of glass phone, to be honest with you, but this is the best glass built phone ever, even better than a Galaxy S7. Let me be honest with you. And number 2 is the heart rate sensor. For example, let's see. What is your BP going on? I really like. It have a heart rate sensor. The number 1 is the Samsung Flow. If you are rocking the new Galaxy Tab S3, which I am rocking, use this feature. I can easily connect my phone with my Samsung tablet, and then I can use my phone from my tablet. I really love it. So these were the 15 feature of the Samsung Galaxy S6. Make sure to subscribe. You wanna support me on Amazon. The links will be in the description box below. I just wanna say I love you guys. Bye.